Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
My name is Joey Mucha, and I'm a San Francisco technology entrepreneur and skee-ball champion. I'm one of the first super hosts on Airbnb. The process of swapping a key with a guest is very cumbersome and time-consuming. So using Lockatron was mesmerizing. When I put that thing on my front door and it was able to unlock directly from my phone with just the tap of a button.
Our latest Lockatron product is Bolt. And Bolt is essentially taking all the elements from the previous Lockatrons and putting them into a smaller, more robust, elegant package. And we're actually able to offer that at a better price point.
When you open the app, you're presented with a simple lock-unlock button. What you also have is an activity log. So this shows you who's come and gone. You can check to see if your roommate's home. And it also has the ability to add and remove guests. You just tap a button next to your friend's name and suddenly they have a key for the weekend.
I've had a guest come stay with me and I wasn't even in the same state. I was in Arizona and I let them in remotely from my phone using Lockatron.
The latest version of Lockatron consists of two products, Bolt and Bridge. Bolt is a Bluetooth Low Energy replacement door lock. Bridge will connect your Lockatron to the internet, which gives you the capability to, say, be in London and unlock your door for someone at your apartment in San Francisco.
We have a vibrant developer community that's making smartwatch applications for their Pebble, for their iWatch, for their Android Watch. One of the guys at Pebble built this application that you can just do a fist bump with your Pebble and it unlocks your door. You look at the successful technologies of the past 20 years, and the only thing that works is things that enable people to work better with other people.
If Lockatron went away, I would be devastated. It would be a total bummer. I've shown it off so many times, and it impresses so many of my friends and my guests. I think the only thing better than Lockatron is rolling a perfect game of skee-ball.
I'm Cameron.
I'm Paul.
This is Lockatron.
"10 hours until the guests arrive. And still lots to do. Clean the house, get the dinner, and make sure Louie gets another walk. Mary's not too worried because she has August. It lets her into her home automatically, just like magic. August helps her get everything done for the party, even with the family gone for the day. With August Smart Lock, Mary and Thomas can control access to their home and send virtual keys to guests from anywhere using their smartphones. When the cleaning lady comes to straighten things up, she's got her virtual key to use. And hopefully, some extra cleaning supplies. Dinner's here from Hank, their favorite barbecue guy, and Mary can use August's doorbell cam to ask him to put the food in the usual spot.
Hank's Barbecue, ready for delivery.
Can I just buzz you in and you can leave the food in the fridge?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Louie even gets his regular walk. Thomas just gives the dog walker a virtual key for that time every day. That's right, boy. Right on schedule. When Emily stops by early to drop things off, she can head right in when Mary buzzes her.
Hey, Mary, it's Emily. I'm actually at your house. I was in the neighborhood and I just had the things that you need.
Yeah. Just go right in. I'll buzz you in.
When Maya gets home from school, she can let herself in with August's smart keypad. No more lost or forgotten keys. And best of all, Mom gets an instant notification so she knows Maya is home safe. Thanks to August, the house is finally clean. Everything's delivered, and Louie got his walk. All they need now are the guests. Welcome to a home that's more simple and secure. Welcome to an August home.